Close the eyes, take a deep breath. Just begin by breathing deeply, making sure that you're expanding on the inhale, contracting on the exhale. Making some time to just relax. And let's take our right ear to the right shoulder. Stretching. Opening the left side of the neck and then going to the opposite side. Exhaling out through the mouth. Just letting go. Go to the right side again. Left side. Maybe one more time. Coming back to the center. This short exercise in yoga that we're going to do, it's more meditation, and we're opening up, stretching our body, really feeling that we're creating space, putting tension into everything, and then releasing it. So this is going to help us really deeply relax. Our arms are 60 degrees in the air. Your hands are flat and they're going to be facing down. And then it's like we're reaching them out as much as we can. Shoulders are down and back. Stretching and squeezing the spine and everything. And breathe long and deep. We're just holding this for a couple minutes. Really stretch. Bringing all the tension up. Squeezing the spine. See if you can reach even further. Stretch, squeeze even more. Last few breaths. Inhale, hold, stretch. Oh, release. You can do that for up to 3 minutes. Stretching and stretching and stretching and holding and squeezing. The longer you do it, the more you'll feel a release. It's great to do for like a yoga nidra practice, or if you just want to relax, if you just feel like you're holding a lot of tension and you don't have a lot of time before bed. You can just feel how the nervous system resets in just a few minutes. VenusTransmissions.com for my nervous system recovery course and some of my free resources. And I hope you enjoy the videos. And please like and subscribe. And if you feel like giving and supporting me, it's definitely appreciated. I teach in Tulum, Mexico, and also live part-time in London. And if you're looking for a very deeply healing experience and you want to come to the Mayan Riviera, this very, very spiritual, magical place, please reach out to me. I host private retreats and can help people come here and have really the most magical, beautiful experience in Tulum. Sana.